तुझसे मिलाया है, तुझ पे मर के ही तो मुझे जीना आया है। ओ तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा, तू रात दीवानी मैं जर्द सितारा। ओ तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा, मैं तेरा हो जाऊं जो तू कर दे इशारा।
Happy anniversary to the best parents. Me and Vishal are truly blessed to have you in our lives. Thank you for always supporting us and taking care of us. We love you both.
Happy anniversary to mom and dad. Thank you for taking care of us. You are the pillars to our life. Happy anniversary to both of you.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary.
We love you. We bless you. All the best.
My loving son Swadesh and loving daughter Meena, it's my great pleasure to wish you both a very happy anniversary, and that also 25th years. I pray God bless you all with happiness, good luck and success. My prayers are always there for you. God bless you. Jai Sri Krishna.
வாழ்த்துக்கள் தம்பி, உங்களுக்கும் மீனாமாவுக்கும் 25வது வருஷம் கல்யாண நாளுக்கு உங்களுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள். கடவுள் உங்களுக்கு நல்ல குடும்பம் கொடுத்துருக்குறாரு, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். கடவுள் உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் மேலே மேலே ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ணி 100வது விழா கொண்டாடுறதுக்காக கடவுள் உங்களுக்கு பிளெஸ்ஸிங் பண்ணட்டும். காட் பிளஸ் யூ தம்பி.
Happy wedding anniversary to Meena and Suresh.
Happy wedding anniversary, Meena and Suresh, and all the best to both of you.
Happy anniversary, Meena and Suresh. Much love and happiness to both of you. You are a fabulous couple. We often talk of you and miss you. We had a great time with you guys there, and wishing you very best of 25 years. You are a great couple. Have a great time, and congratulations on your 25th anniversary.
Hi, Dr. Meena, and Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Hey, Ramesh, Suresh. Okay, hope this COVID you cross all the difficult times in Dubai. And first of all, let me wish you a very, very happy anniversary with the Silver Jubilee cake cutting today. Don't forget me when you are having a sip of a wine or black label or a red label or whatever it is. We miss all the beautiful, the golden era of Abu Dhabi stay with you all guys, especially with the airport park. I always remember that, whatever lovely times we had. So I hope the coming future also you'll enjoy your life, rest of your life, and wish you all the best. And congratulations, many more. We're looking forward for the Diamond Jubilee of your Diamond Jubilee anniversary. All the best. Bye-bye. Take care.
Hi Chachu Chachi, wish you a very 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 happy silver anniversary and wish you lots of love and happiness and togetherness for all the years to come, and may there be a 75th and diamond one to celebrate as well. I miss you so much. I hope to see you soon and I love you lots. Take care.
Happy 25th anniversary to both of you.
There was two sides to my brother's lives. In case of Big Ba, Mum had to convince him to get married. But in case of Small Ba, he was convincing Mum that he would come for Big Ba's wedding single and go back married, even if he had to extend his holiday. And when he came for Big's wedding, he would stalk Mum and make sure that his wedding was on the agenda. I had my final exams going on, and when I came home and would find Mum talking to either Shada auntie or Leela auntie about Small Ba's wedding, guess what was my agenda? To make sure that I was not repeating clothes for both my brothers' weddings. End of it, both of us got what we wanted. I got my clothes and he got you.
Congratulations once again.
Congratulations for another wonderful year of falling with love each other. Happy wedding anniversary, ma'am and sir.
Hi, Doctor. Many happy anniversary to you. Best wishes to both of you. Be happy. May God bless you to live more years together. Happy anniversary, Doctor.
How to say 1, 2, 3? Hey Meena Suresh, wish you a very happy 25th
wedding
anniversary.
and many more.
Make sure you enjoy the day, make sure you enjoy the week, the month, the year, and the rest of your lives with each other. God bless you. Bye.
Hi, Suresh.
Hi Meena. Happy 25th wedding anniversary, Silver Jubilee.
May God bless you and give you
good health and live with togetherness. Happy Silver Jubilee.
cheers.
Bye.
Hi Suresh and Meena. Congratulations. Wishing you a very happy 25th anniversary and God bless. Wishing you many happy years together.
Happy anniversary, Uncle Auntie. Happy anniversary, Uncle and Auntie.
Hi Suresh and Meena. Wish you a very happy Silver Jubilee. God bless you with all the happiness. Long time we have not met. Hope we can see each other soon. Love you all.
Hi beautiful young couples. All the good wishes for your 25th wedding anniversary. May God fill your life with peace, harmony and nice you.
Happy wedding.
Happy wedding anniversary. Yahoo! We didn't stop.
Okay.
Hi Meena Suresh, on this great day of yours, where you will be married happily together forever. I wish you on this 25th year a very happy 25th anniversary with lot of success, health, wealth and happiness. You know, when I got married and came to this side of the family, I was wondering if I would be able to accept the family members, but truly speaking, I found a sister in you, I found a brother in Bhaiya, and I found the same members of my family there as well as here. I always remember you where you keep laughing, the sparkle in your eyes, and the calm and kind brother, Suresh. So from Kishan, Bhavna, Prithvi, and me, and mom, and Pushpa, I wish both of you and your children all the success in life and happiness always. Be blessed. Always.
A very happy silver anniversary to Chachi and Chachu. Hope this lockdown ends soon so we can meet up again.
Happy wedding anniversary. May God bless you with a lifetime of happiness and love. Enjoy. Take care.
Hi Suresh and Meena. Wishing you a very happy 25th anniversary. Hope your milestone anniversary is a good one. Enjoy.
Hey Suresh and Meena, it's been a long time. Wish you a very happy 25th anniversary and hope your past 25 years has been very great. I hope it has been. And wish you for the next phase, the next 25 years, wish you many more better times, wonderful memories, and wish you all the very best.
Hi Uncle and Auntie, wishing you a very happy silver anniversary. Have a great one. Cheers.
Cheers. Take care.
Hi Meena. Hi Suresh. Wishing you a very happy 25th anniversary. I have an appropriate act for you. Friend in need is a friend in need. I have known you Meena for more than 2 decades. We have seen ups and downs of our lives together. We have come out, we have sailed across. I'm so happy that you both are together for this 25th anniversary. Hiren and Vishal also with you. What a lovely family I've known. And inshallah, I shall wish you for your 50th and 75th anniversary, if I stay alive. Wishing you a very happy anniversary. God bless you both.
Mujani, Meena, how are you? Mujani, I know you from 1988 when I joined the Cosmos, and I think we met personally in 1991 when I came to Abu Dhabi. And wish you all the best for your 25th anniversary. बुझा नहीं the difference between that time and today. सिर्फ यो फर्क होंदो कि उन टाइम न तो कैसा ॻाल्हाईंदो हुए न तो मुस्कुराईंदो हुए. And thanks to Meena, and she who teach you all these things here. So Meena, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. And it's wonderful to have a family like you in our life here. Wish you all the best for future. And we, as a family, wish you a very, very happy anniversary. God bless you.
Wish you a very happy 25th anniversary. We love you a lot. Meena, Suresh, I really miss you. I miss the days of Dubai. We had a wonderful time. So, when do we meet again? Anyway, wish you all the best.
Yes, even I fondly remember the times that we spent in Chennai together, and when you all just got married or little after that. But today on your 25th anniversary, we wish you all the best, all the love, happiness, success, togetherness, and wish the best the world has to offer for you.
Wish you a very happy anniversary. We love you.
Love you.
Happy anniversary to you guys. Thank you for always being the pillar and taking care of us when we were small till now. May God bless you both.
You deserve a big thank you from us for loving each other for all these years. God bless you. Take care.
तुझ में रात मेरी, तुझ में दिन मेरे, लम्हा एक जीऊं ना मैं तो बिन तेरे, है तेरे साथ सफर, जाना मुझे है किधर के बीत जाए तुझ में ये उम्र. धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा, मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना. धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा, मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना.